Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky 5D error code on your Maytag washer and wondering why your laundry day just turned into a headache, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix the 5D error code on your 2025 Maytag washer. This error usually signals a drainage issue, like a clogged hose or pump problem, which is super common but totally fixable with a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Unplug your washer from the power source to avoid any accidents. This gives you a safe window to inspect and troubleshoot without any surprises. Now, grab a flashlight and some towels because things might get a bit messy. Step 1. Check the drain hose. It's often the culprit. Locate the hose at the back of your washer and make sure it's not kinked, blocked, or disconnected. If you find any debris, like lint or small objects, clear it out carefully. Once that's done, reconnect it securely and plug the washer back in for a test run. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to step 2. Inspect the pump filter. On most 2025 Maytag models, you'll find it at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew the cover, remove any trapped items like coins or fabric bits, and give it a good clean. Remember to have a bowl handy to catch any water that might spill out. For step 3, run a quick diagnostic cycle. Turn your washer back on, select a drain and spin cycle, and see if the error persists. If it does, there might be a more serious issue, like a faulty pump, which could require professional help. Alright, we've covered the basics. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve that 5D error and get your washer humming again. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Maytag support or call in a technician. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair tips. Let's keep those clothes clean and your home running smoothly.